This little square book is brought to by our friends at Hunky Dory, and it's called Butterfly Botanica. And this is 4 3/4 inches square, and it's a really thick pad, as you can see. There are 150 sheets in this pad. Now there are 25 designs. You're going to get 6 of each one. Now let me show you what they are. So pull this out. So you're going to see this very illustrative style of botanicals, and butterflies is the theme. So you're going to be seeing fruit with them. You're certainly going to be seeing flowers with them, and lots of color combinations, which is really nice. Now something that you can do, especially since you've got so many sheets, is this could go on a card. Then you could take another sheet, cut out the butterfly and foam tape it up and give a little dimension to your project. So here is another, again, lots of butterflies and flowers. And I like the fact that they're each very different. So you can see very different color combinations. Some are more subtle. This would be a perfect card front. You could stamp your greeting or use the Dazzle script greetings, and you about got it done. Put a bow and it's finished. How pretty. Very colorful butterflies. And there we go. And again, that illustrative style works so nicely. And these are pretty timeless too. They're not just to one season, and that's really nice. They make some beautiful sympathy cards if you need that. Thinking of you, get well, happy birthday, of course. Just lovely. And we are almost done. That's it. So Butterfly Botanica, this is the square little book from Hunky Dory.